Best evergreen resources to learn copywriting. Copywriting is the art and skill of writing to persuade. Your work as a copywriter is to craft sales letters, advertisements, email campaigns, or even entire web pages designed to sell an idea or product. So how does one become a copywriter? Here are some timeless resources that will help you learn how to write persuasive copy. The Gary Halbert letter. Copywriting legend Gary Halbert is known for his bold claims. One of his best-known sayings is, "If you find yourself writing copy that says order now on it, please do us both a favour and smack yourself in the face." His work is clear, no-nonsense copywriting advice, with thousands of letters to clients and students written for 3 decades. CopyBlogger Pro. CopyBlogger is a well-known name that everyone looks up to in the world of copywriting. CopyBlogger Pro allows you to access as many educational assets as you would need to learn copywriting for an entire year. Institute of Data and Marketing, IDM. The Institute of Data and Marketing, IDM, is another excellent resource for mastering copywriting. IDM teaches advanced copywriting for helping you to get more engagement and sales for your copy. Kopywriting Kourse. The quirky name notwithstanding, this is a completely free course that you can find on YouTube. Copywriting Kourse exposes you to creating compelling emails that will help you prospect for sales over email. You'll also learn how to create content that sells and go over mistakes that other writers make so that you can avoid them. Copyhackers. Copyhackers is a website that offers free resources on the basic elements of copywriting. Resources on Copyhacker will help you know how to craft the perfect headlines, copy formatting, value proposition, etc. The Copywriter's Handbook by Robert W. Bly. If you want to master direct response marketing, this book should be your Bible. Written by Robert W. Bly, this book offers practical advice for commercial writers who sell products and services through catalogs, brochures, reports, sales letters, email marketing campaigns, websites, and affiliate marketing programs. Conclusion. While numerous resources are available on copywriting, this takes time and effort to become a skilled copywriter. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced copywriter, these tools will help enhance your skill set in copywriting. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel.